So it is great to be here. I am a Palm Beach County native. I've lived in Palm Beach County my entire life. So I'm very excited to be here with you. And congratulations, Dominic, and the rest of the TaxWatch team for your 40th anniversary. I currently serve as Secretary of the Florida Department of Management Services, which is the business and workforce arm of Florida government. We primarily serve as the back office operations for many of the agencies that have spoken today. DMS mission is pretty clear, very succinct. We serve those who serve Florida. We lead the nation in efficiency and service, and with partnerships with both our customers and with the private sector, including Florida TaxWatch. With less than 950 employees, we serve more than 1.1 million customers annually with a budget of just under $800 million. For those of you that may not know, our team is involved in many of the areas that impact our state's employees and business functions every day. For example, DMS manages the Florida retirement system, serving more than 1.1 million participants and more than 1,000 plan members. The Florida retirement system is the sixth largest retirement system in the country. We run the Florida State Group Health Insurance Plan, which provides health care benefits to state employees and state university employees, more than 368,000 individuals. We manage the state's technology functions in charting the course of the future in terms of data and cybersecurity. We procure and manage state contracts and purchasing, oversee the management of the state's vehicle fleet. We maintain the state's real estate to better serve Floridians in their communities, and we lead enterprise human resources and 13 collective bargaining agreements. Earlier this year, when I was appointed by Governor DeSantis to lead the agency, I set 3 priorities for our group. Number 1, drive innovation to advance and streamline operations. Number 2, increase efficiencies to save Florida taxpayer dollars. And number 3, to challenge the status quo. Over the last year, our agency has identified multiple opportunities to improve processes that have, in some cases, been done for a long time in a particular way, even when they have been grossly inefficient. And they haven't been changed or updated, just because that's the way they always have been done. We are tackling that way of thinking. We're leveraging technology and updating our processes, making them more effective and efficient with less room for user error. And we're making them cost-effective, reducing staff time and material to get the same jobs done. This way of thinking doesn't just apply to modernizing processes, it applies to rules too. This is one of our most recent initiatives at DMS. We understand that modernizing our rules of governance will allow us to reduce friction and to streamline efforts. Our goal is to be able to yield new levels of efficiency, lessening burdens and opening new doors of possibilities as it relates to service and operations. At DMS, we are actively seeking out solutions to provide the best customer service to current and former state employees and their families and Florida taxpayers. Let me give you a few examples of some of the things we've been working on. We are making advancements in telecommunications. Our state technology team is currently utilizing a $6 million federal grant to transition Florida's 911 network to an IP-based network. This will improve location accuracy and allow first responders to get real-time call information, including text messages, images, and live video. We are saving taxpayer dollars. Following the passage of the Patient Savings Act, Medicare enrolled state retirees are being offered 3 new Medicare Advantage prescription drug plans starting January 1st. These innovative healthcare options improve quality of healthcare while creating the potential to save over $80 million for Florida taxpayers. Earlier this year, the Shared Savings Program went live and is now available to all state group health insurance employees and their eligible dependents at no additional cost. To date, these savings have resulted in $2 million net savings for the state with plenty of room for growth. In 2019, our Division of Real Estate closed 100% of its construction projects on time and under budget. DMS continues to work with stakeholders in communicating regarding our prescription drug program. We anticipate that which may have an anticipated cost savings of $46 million for the 2020 plan year. We appreciate TaxWatch's recognition of our productivity and innovation. We were awarded 12 Davis Productivity Awards for the agency in 2019. 2020 will bring new opportunities to increase government efficiencies. House Bill 5301 facilitated the merging of the Agency for State Technology into DMS's Division of Telecommunications. We know this will create a more streamlined customer service provider to facilitate back office shared services for all state agencies. The agency is in the final stages of selecting a new Chief Information Officer. The Florida Cybersecurity Task Force, chaired by Lieutenant Governor Jeanette Nunez, is charged with providing recommendations to mitigate risk and protecting the data of Florida citizens. We look forward to reviewing their findings and recommendations. DMS is the primary agency responsible for initiating and implementing Governor DeSantis' priority Cloud First initiative. The cloud is a more scalable solution that will increase opportunities for data-driven, evidence-based policymaking. I am looking forward to continue to work with Governor DeSantis, you, and all of our stakeholders to make Florida a more efficient, resilient, and tech-enabled state. Thank you for all you've done and continue to do to make Florida great. Again, congratulate TaxWatch on a wonderful 40 years.